What if you could create stunning ad images like this one or this one without hiring designers or waiting for days to have it done? Gone are the days when you needed to hire a graphic design artist and wait for days to get unique, high-quality Facebook ad creatives. In today's video, I'll show you how you can literally manifest Facebook ad creatives like these from thin air in minutes using Midjourney. And by the way, you can also use this AI tool to create graphic assets for your website, for YouTube thumbnails, for banners, and so much more. So let's get started. Recently at Ascension Models, the ad agency I've co-founded, we started working with a new Facebook ads client. This client runs a software as a service company, helping businesses book more sales opportunities on autopilot with AI. An issue we faced was that there's no face of the brand and it is fairly new, so they don't have a lot of existing graphic assets. We thought about it, and that's how my business partner and I decided to test generating creatives with Midjourney, an AI image generation tool. The first concept I want to share with you is the comic book style creative. The comic book style creative is an easy, engaging way to design a story-based visual that grabs your target audience's attention with vivid imagery. It goes over why their problem exists, what the solution you have to offer is, and how it works to deliver them the transformation they so desperately crave, all in a 4x4 grid. We came across this concept in a post by Alan Sotanich, so credit to him for the idea. The first step to creating our very own comic book style creative was to train ChatGPT on our client's business by feeding it our client's answers to our detailed kickoff form. Then I prompted it to come up with the concept and story for our comic consisting of 4 panels and to give me the prompts for Midjourney. Initially, I wanted to feature the same character, a 40-year-old male sales professional, in all the panels, but that proved to be tricky as Midjourney would alter the character too much, even when I included the image from the first panel in the second prompt or when I used the /blend command. I didn't have all day, so I had to settle with featuring different characters. Still, the panel managed to capture the transformation that our client's software provides to sales teams pretty effectively. Here's how I created the panels. If you haven't used Midjourney, it's basically like ChatGPT, but with images. You prompt it via a short description of what you want using the /imagine command, and it spits out 4 images. It's a paid service, but pretty inexpensive. As of now, you can get the lowest tier for just $10 per month. Once you purchase your subscription, you just follow the instructions, head over to Discord where the action happens, and message the Midjourney bot. Here's the prompt I used to generate the first image. /imagine a comic panel featuring a stressed out, overwhelmed 40-year-old sales professional in a suit in a Doe office setting in front of a 14-inch MacBook laptop late at night. Include our brand colors, and I've listed the brand colors. Include a text narration bubble like in a comic book that reads, "Why spend endless hours reaching out to prospects?" using Badaboom font or a similar font that's suitable for comic books. You want to be as detailed as possible when it comes to the prompt in order to get Midjourney to create the image you have in your mind. As you can see, I initially tried to have Midjourney take care of the text bubbles as well, but it turns out the tech isn't there yet. It just inserted some mumbo jumbo instead of the actual text. So I upscaled the first image, which I liked best, and used the vary region function to generate a new variation of the image without the text bubbles. Beautiful. Next, I used the vary region function to make the laptop look more natural. After that, I prompted Midjourney to create the next image. Here's the prompt. /imagine a comic panel featuring a friendly, efficient robot in an office setting working effortlessly in front of a 14-inch MacBook laptop during a nice sunny day. Include our brand colors, and I've listed the brand colors. To my surprise, Midjourney apparently used the previous information it had because, as you can see, 3 of the images featured both a robot and a sales professional instead of just the robot. Nevertheless, I liked the first image, so I upscaled it, and then I used zoom out 1.5 times to make space for the text bubble I was going to add manually. I ran the same prompt of a friendly robot working in a sunny office again, and one of the images was perfect, so I upscaled it. It was time to generate the 4th and final panel. Here's the prompt I used. /imagine insert the URL that I used previously, a comic panel featuring a happy 40-year-old male sales professional in a suit who is enjoying a leisurely cup of coffee in front of a 14-inch MacBook laptop during a nice sunny day. On the laptop screen is the image I've placed in the beginning of this prompt, include our brand colors, and then I've listed the brand colors. The link was of the dashboard of our client's software. I was eager to see if Midjourney can incorporate it into the image. It tried in its own way. Here are the images it spit out. I liked the composition and styling of the fourth one, so I upscaled it and used the Vary Strong function to get 4 more image variations. The third one was perfect, so I upscaled it. All that was left to do was fix minor details, add the text bubbles and text in Photoshop, and compile the 4 panels into one comic book style 4x4 grid. Here is the final creative. In the first image, the narrator says, "Another late night spent reaching out to prospects," as our frustrated character looks like he wants to quit his job at this point. In the second image, imagine having an AI agent that does it all for you, with the man and the robot smiling at the office. In the third image, a robot agent is now working and the copy reads, "Our AI learns, engages and schedules, giving you more time to strategize." And in the final image, you can see the transformed happy sales pro enjoying his cup of coffee as he says, "Experience the future of prospecting. Book a demo now." The creative, of course, is accompanied by more sales copy within the actual Facebook ad. This is just one example of how you can use Midjourney to design engaging ad creatives. You can also design comparison creatives like this one, where we compare the end users' lives without and with the software solution we promote, and so much more. If you need a consistent stream of engaging image creatives for Facebook and other ad platforms, as well as for other visual assets, Midjourney is definitely worth the $10, so I highly recommend it. Now make sure to like this video to help me out with the algorithm, subscribe to the channel for additional marketing strategies that will make you more profit, and watch this video next to learn more about how you can improve your marketing in order to boost your revenue and profits and to achieve more financial freedom.